Oh boy. I told myself I wouldn't do this. I told everyone it was a bad idea. What were you thinking? I bought Gamestop this morning. And now, before you tell my parents to disown me or kick me out of the family completely, hear me out. There's a big reason I ended up getting this small test position engagement trade in GameStop. The main reason? The charts, baby. So let's look into the charts. I'll give you a quick rundown as to why, and I'll tell you what to look for and the price levels that are really important in this trade. Welcome to Options Premium Daily. I'm your host, John. You guys know what to do. Subscribe button, smash it, like, gently touch it safely, and let's get into the charts. Let's show you what we got going on and see the really important price levels that are related to GameStop. And then I'll tell you a couple other reasons why this is important. So as you can see from GameStop's chart here, the 1532 price level is really important. And we managed to actually test that level today and bounce off. Now, before you look at this further, what you need to see that's really important in this price level is that it's a longer term support. So as I break this out to like a monthly chart, once we go to the monthly chart here, you're going to see that this is a very key level at this 1532, and we managed to bounce off it today with some really pretty significantly good volume. I'd tell you this, that what I want to see that's really important besides this level, we closed at the high today, so that's really great for this stock. It's a good sign. The fact that this price level would hold, that's where I'm bullish at any point in time. So there's two main bullish reasons there. And then the last one, if anyone knows Michael Burry, the Big Short guru master, he is really intelligent. I will give him a lot of props there. He is really calling out that there's a lot of short interest in this stock, and everyone keeps saying that it's going to be a short squeeze to infinity. Let's see. Who knows? But I can tell you this from the chart standpoint, which is what I love to look at. I like what I see. I'm willing to take a bet and see to it that we come back to these localized highs at the 1942 between now and the end of the year. So I'm really looking to make sure we get some follow through from today's trade, but that's the biggest key. So I'll keep some updates going to let you know, and if the price action and the volume is looking strong, I can look to add more to that position and carry on some of that momentum. So we'll see how it goes. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe. And it's time for the why would someone ask that on the internet question of the day. So we've got, I bought 30 gallons of paint and realized it's the wrong color. How do I return it? I already painted my entire house. Well, I think it's obvious. You just take off all the drywall and take it back to Home Depot. But more importantly, I hope you save the receipt.